Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Soya English Hub. It's Mom Hazel here. Today is the weekend, and our fridge is completely empty now. I need to refill the food for our family next week. We need to go to the supermarket right now, but I need a little helper. Anna, where are you? I need my shopping assistant.
I'm here, Mommy.
Anna, do you want to be my shopping assistant today? Can you help me?
Yes, I can. Can we buy some snacks after shopping?
Maybe. If you do a good job. Ta-da! Look at this. This is our shopping list.
Assistant Anna will help you find everything in the list.
Excellent. Are you ready, my assistant? Let's get dressed and go.
I'm ready, Mommy. Let's go.
We're here. Okay, Assistant Anna. Look at our list. What is the first item?
Apples. Let's go get apples.
Wait for me. Remember the rule. Don't run too fast.
Mommy, why are these apples red? And those apples are green.
That is a very good question. Red apples are usually sweet. Green apples are a little sour. Which one do you like?
I like sweet apples. I will take 4 red apples. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, Mommy, can we buy some strawberries for Aunt Lily? She loves strawberries.
That is very kind of you, Anna. Yes, we can buy 2 boxes. Put them in the cart, please. Next on the list, dairy. We need milk, butter, and some cheese for our pizza tonight.
Mommy, you said butter and cheese are made from milk, right? But milk is a drink. It is liquid. Why is cheese hard? How is that possible?
Oh, that is a very smart question, Anna. Well, people use heat and special tricks to change milk into cheese. It takes a long time. It is like cooking magic.
Magic? That's so cool! Can we do that magic at home?
Maybe one day. But for now, my little wizard, can you put the milk, butter, and cheese into the cart? We need to keep moving.
Yes, Mommy.
Great job with the dairy. Now, my little assistant, what is next on our secret list?
Let me see. I see a green tree and an orange pencil.
An orange pencil? Oh, Anna, that is a carrot. And the green tree is broccoli. Can you find them?
I found it! I found the green trees! Here they are.
Perfect. Put it in the cart, please. Now, how many carrots do we need? Look at the list again.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carrots. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done!
You are the best assistant, Anna. Vegetable is done. Now, what's next? Oh, I think we need some food for tomorrow's dinner. Lily is going to visit us tomorrow.
Yay! We will play games! But, Mommy, what are we eating?
Let's check the shopping list. What did I draw right here?
I see a fish and a chicken leg.
Very good. We need one big fish and some chicken. Let's look at the seafood counter.
Oh, Mommy, look! The fish are sleeping on the ice. Are they cold?
The ice keeps the fish fresh and clean for us to eat. Can you point to the biggest fish for our dinner?
That one. That's the biggest one.
And finally, some chicken. Okay, we have fish, chicken, vegetables, milk, and fruits. Our shopping list is finished.
Mommy, look! Snacks! I finished the wrist. Can I have my snack now?
Let me think. Did my assistant do a good job today?
Yes, I found the apples, the broccoli, the carrots, and the big fish.
You are right. I promised you earlier. You are the best assistant. You can choose a snack you like. Anything you want.
Yay! Thank you, Mommy. I want these chocolate cookies. I will share them with my friends when I go to school tomorrow.
That is very sweet. Put it in the cart. And since you did a good job today, do you want some ice cream? We can eat ice cream on our movie night tonight.
Really, Mommy? Awesome! I love it!
Okay, now let's go to the checkout counter. Here we are. Little assistant, can you help me put the food on the belt?
Yes, Mommy. I can help. The apples, the milk, and my cookies.
Hello. Wow, what a cute little helper you have today.
Wow, you did it so fast.
All right, that will be $85, please.
Okay, my assistant, it's time to pay. Can you give this card to the lady, please?
Here is our card.
Thank you, sweetie. Here is your card and your receipt. Have a great day.
Thank you so much. Have a good day. Hello again. We are back in the car with all the food we need. Look at my little assistant. She worked so hard, and now she's already fallen asleep. Thank you for watching our vlog today. If you like our video, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for Soya English Hub. See you in the next video. Have a good day, everyone. Goodbye.